Hello students, and welcome to Parallel Troubleshooting. I wanted to review a circuit that we built recently, and that was this circuit with a 6-volt battery, 3 resistors, 220, 330, and 470. There's a schematic right below my diagram, and wanted to talk about what happens when one of these resistors opens up. So if we look at our chart here, and we're going to analyze this by seeing what happens to current. So my conclusion, if R1 opens up, then the current through R1 goes away. If R2 opens up, then the current that goes through R2 goes away. If the current in R3 opens up, then the current through R3 goes away. So we're going to take a look at that and see what happens. Here's the circuit that we originally built. And we had 57 milliamps experimentally is what we saw here. And that was very close to our calculated document. So what happens when R1 opens up? When R1 opens up, I've simply pulled R1 resistor out and it's not even in the circuit. That current goes away. So we deduce that if R1 goes away, then only the current that goes through 2 and 3 is active. And so we added those two currents up and got 31 milliamps. When I measure it with my meter, very close to that at 32.1. So that would indicate that R1 is open. Now what happens when R2 opens? When R2 opens up, as you can see, is that I've taken R2 resistor out. R1 and R3 are still active in this circuit. And if we add those currents up, we come up to a little bit over 40 milliamps. If I look at my meter, I'm right there at my projected value. I'm a little bit above that, but we are seeing that if R2 goes away, current goes away also. And then what happens when R3 opens up? R3, if I pull that last resistor, that's the largest resistor with the least current. When it goes away, we only look at the current that goes through R1 and 2, and that calculates out to be about a little bit over 45 milliamps. And when I apply it to my meter, I'm right there at about 45 milliamps. So in conclusion, what we gained from this little experiment is that when my resistors open up, my total current is going to change, and the total current will change by whatever branch opens up. That current goes away, and you can figure out which one of those has gone away, and now you know which resistor is open. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.